Let's unbox. Guess what? Realme C1 today with us. Let's unbox the new one from Realme, and going by the track records of Realme, we expect it to be a great smartphone, at least on papers. Then what are we waiting for? Let's roll in the intro and do the unboxing. We have got the box of the C1. Let's quickly unbox it and have a look. We get a box in, opening which up, we get a few instruction manual and other stuffs. We also get a silicone soft case provided in the box itself, which is quite convenient. We then get the smartphone itself. Let's take it out of its protective plastic. It looks damn gorgeous with its reflecting glass back and that notch. Okay, we will come back to the smartphone later on. First, let's check out what we have got apart. We then get a 5V 1A charger in the box, but we have expected a 10W charger at least. But then we get a micro USB cable in the box. No Type-C, we didn't expect that in that price bracket. The smartphone is completely made out of metal and has a glass sandwich design, which is not glass but rather polycarbonate and plastic, to be honest. But in really, it's damn looking and it feels really premium in hand. We get dual cameras on top and a flash. No fingerprint scanner though. Let's put on the silicone back case and check it out. It's hard to fit the case though, but it fits pretty well and protects the smartphone. But then you have to sacrifice on looks. Given the back case, the smartphone becomes a bit tough to manage with single hand. But anyways, the display is large, so can't blame the back cover. The smartphone might look and feel premium given the glossy back, but it's a fingerprint magnet and as all glass backs are, so no complaints regarding that. Using the case provided is a must. Talking about looks, how can we skip the display? It's a 6.2-inch 19:9 panel having a resolution of HD+, and 19:9 panel means it has got notch. Given the larger screen size and lower resolution results in lower PPI. We get speaker grills, micro USB port, acceptable for the price, primary microphone and headphone jack. Turning the phone, we get a SIM tray followed by a volume up and down buttons. Talking about the SIM tray, it has dedicated slot for micro SD. The top of the smartphone is left clean, and turning the phone we get the power button. Yes, the 6.2-inch panel has got up a notch, and that too for reasons. The front camera, the earpiece and the proximity sensor. Talking about optics, we have got a 13MP f2.2 shooter combined with a 2MP depth sensor. The smartphone is powered by the octa-core Snapdragon 450 SoC, which is a great chip for budget smartphones and gets your job done. And combined with the Adreno 506 GPU, it can run medium titles. And powering all this, there is a 40 to 30 mAh battery, so we are expecting great battery life. So finally the pricing, the smartphone costs 6,999 for the 2+16 variant, which makes it unbeatable for its price.